Hello everyone, today our topic is how to add print media business lead to Google Sheets. So here our objective is that whenever we get new Facebook lead for my print media business in Facebook lead ads, then we want to capture these lead details and we want to add these lead details automatically in our Google Sheet. For that, we will create an integration between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets. For creating this integration, we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. In Pabbly Connect, we are going to use trigger and action. In trigger application, we are going to use Facebook lead ads. In action application, we are going to use Google Sheets. So how I am going to create this integration? For that, let me take you to my computer screen.
I hope all you can see my computer screen, and this is my Facebook page for my print media business, and it is named as Print Harbor. And to promote my business, I'm also running an ad campaign on my page through which I'm getting a lot of leads. Now I want to manage my leads and I want to add all my Facebook leads of my print media business in Google Sheets automatically. So here my objective is that whenever I get a new Facebook lead for my print media business, then I want to add these leads automatically in my Google Sheet. For that, I have to create an integration between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheet. For this, I will open a new tab and search for pabbly.com. And it will take us to this landing page of Pabbly. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly, you can just sign up for free and it will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get hundreds of tasks free every month. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in and you will get to see this page. Here, these are all the apps that Pabbly offers and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I will click here on Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And this will take us to this dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here, this is the workflow section and we can see all the workflows that we will create here. This is the folder section and we can create new folder here and we can save any workflow in any particular folder that we want. Here, we want to create a new workflow. For that, I will click here on Create Workflow button. And this window will pop up. Here I have to name my workflow, so I will name it as my objective, which is to add print media business leads to Google Sheets. Now I will select the folder where I want to save my workflow, so I will select Home and I will click on Create. And this will take us to this most important window of our workflow. Here we have two boxes, Trigger and Action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on, and trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger will be the first step that will get executed in our workflow and action will just follow that. So we will set up our trigger first, and here my trigger application will be Facebook lead ads. So I will search for that and I will select this. Now I have to give a trigger event. So for that I will open this tab. And new lead instant will be my trigger event. So I will select this and I will connect Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on connect. I will click on add new connection and I will connect with Facebook lead ads. Now I will click on continue to give access to my account. And my connection is successful. Now I have two details here, page and the lead gen form. Now for this, let's go to Facebook. So this is my page which is named as Print Harbor, and for the lead gen form, I will open this Meta Business Suite. In this, I will go to all tools and I will find this instant forms here. I will open this. And here we can see we have this one form which is lead form. So I'll open this. So this is my form and we have three details here, email, full name and phone number. And this is how my form looks like. So I'm going to map all these details in Pabbly Connect. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect. First, I'm going to select my page, which is Print Harbor. So I will select this. Now I have to select my lead gen form. So I will open this. And lead form will be my lead gen form. So I'll select this. And here we have this important note which says, please note that after clicking the Save and Send Test Request button, you will need to generate sample submission of your lead ad form by clicking on the Preview Form button and filling out the form. Make sure that the lead generation form is live before making the sample submission. So I will click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here it is waiting for webhook response. Now to get this webhook response, I will use Meta for Developer, and in Meta for Developer, I will create a sample submission. So for that, let's go to Meta for Developer. Here I will go to My Apps. I will go to Tools. And in Tools, I'm going to find this Lead Ads RTU Debug tool. So we are going to use this testing tool. And here we have these two details, page and the form. So again, I'm going to select my page, which is Print Harbor. And we have this form, which is lead form. Now I'm going to click on Preview Form button, and I'm going to fill dummy details in my form, and I will create a sample submission. So for that, I'll click here on Preview Form button. So this is my form, and we have these details, email, full name, and the phone number. So I'm going to fill all these details here. So my email will be demouser@pabblytudes.com. So full name will be demouser, and I will give a random phone number. So this will be my random phone number, and I'm going to click on Next. I will click on Submit. So my form is submitted, and I have created this lead. So I will go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see we have the response. So the email is demouser@pabblytudes.com. And we have this full name, which is demouser, and we have this random phone number. So we have these details. Now what we want is, we want to use these details, and we want to add these details automatically in Google Sheet. So for that, I will set up my action, and I will open this tab. Here, I will search for my action application, which is Google Sheets. I will select this. Now I have to give an action event, so I will open this tab. Add new row will be my action event, so I will select this. I will connect Google Sheet with Pabbly Connect, so I'll click here on Connect. I will click on Add New Connection. I will sign in with Google. I will click on Allow to give access to my account. So my connection is successful. We have these details here, and we have to fill all these details. So first I will select my spreadsheet. So for this, let's go to Google Sheet, and we are using this Google Sheet, and the name of the spreadsheet is Facebook Leads, and we are using Sheet 1, and we have 3 columns here, full name, email, and the phone number. So for this, let's go back to Pabbly Connect, and I will map all these details. So I will first select my spreadsheet, which is Facebook Leads. And here we can see all the details have changed according to my spreadsheet. Now I have to fill these details, and I'm going to map all these details. For that, I'm going to use mapping. And what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous tab, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I'll click here. I will open the response, and I will first map the full name. Now I will map the email and the phone number. Now I have filled all my details here, so I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we have the response. So this means we have added these details automatically in my Google Sheet, and we had these details from the Facebook lead ads. Now to check this, let's go back to Google Sheet. And here we can see we have added this new row automatically in our Google Sheet. So the full name is demouser. Email is demouser@pabblytudes.com, and we have this random phone number. So these are the details that we had from Facebook lead ads, and we have created a lead with these same details. So we have added these details automatically in our Google Sheet. So our integration between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheet is working successfully. Now to check this, let's go back to Meta for Developer. I will close this. I will delete this lead, and I will preview this form again, and I will create a new lead. So here my email will be testuser@pabblytudes.com, and I will give a full name, which will be testuser, and I will give a random phone number. Now I will click on Next. I will click on Submit. So I have created this new lead. What I want is, I want to add these lead automatically in my Google Sheet. Now to check this, let's go to Google Sheets. And here we can see we have added this new row automatically in our Google Sheet. So the full name is test user and the email is testuser@pabblytunes.com, and this is the random phone number. So these are the details that we have just added in our Facebook lead ad form, and we have created this lead with the same details. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we have created this integration between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheet, such that whenever we are getting a new lead from Facebook lead ads for my print media business, then we are adding those details automatically in our Google Sheet. So let's summarize what we did here. So first we have set up our trigger, and our trigger application was Facebook lead ads, and our trigger event was new lead instant. Then we have set up our action, and our action application was Google Sheets, and our action event was add new row. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow, and I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there. Thank you.
Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this using Pabbly Connect. If you need any help or if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can post them at forum.pabbly.com, or if you have any issue with the pricing of Pabbly, you can connect on this link. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.